Welcome to Infinity with VJ. In today's class, we are going to discuss about some of the key points of the arithmetic progression chapter. What and all? Let us discuss one by one. Arithmetic progression, shortly we call it as AP, is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except first term. So except first term, we will add up some. Okay, one by one, step by step, we will add fixed number. Okay, not a varying number. We are going to add a fixed number to a list of numbers. So each number can be obtained by adding fixed number. What and all? Let us see one by one. So that fixed number is called a common difference in AP, in arithmetic progression, and it is denoted by small letter d. So n term of AP, arithmetic progression, is given by the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an means the nth term and a is equal to, that is nothing but the first term, and then n means the number of terms, and d is, yes, in previous point itself you know what is that. D is nothing but common difference. Then next equation, what is that? Next formula, sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See here, Sn, n means the number of terms and a means the first term and d is common difference and n means number of terms again here. Okay, or you can write it as how? n by 2 into 2a, we can write it as a plus n minus 1 into d. See here, this a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but this an, correct? So we can write it as n by 2 into a plus an Sn is equal to, okay, if we know the nth term an of AP, if we know that, we can apply this formula. Okay, so if first and last term is given, then see this one, last term means nth term, last term is, if we denoted by L, then we will write it as Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n, okay, which is the formula for to find the last term of a given arithmetic progression. Okay, so you have to remember this formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d and sum of n terms, and if first and last term is given in AP, how to find the sum. Okay, what and all? Let us study one by one in next class. I hope you understood this key points. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section. Thank you.